Hello everybody, once again welcome to our 20th Excel tutorial. This is our 20th Excel tutorial. The next thing we're looking at is, now if you're new here, this is Armstrong Computers channel. I'll be leaving a link here where you can just go and take a recap of all what we did here and come and join. Today's segment we'll be looking at creating a grading system. So this is that, creating a grading system. Now when you look at this creating a grading system, let me switch to my Excel screen and I'll explain how you can create a grading system. So basically I'm in my Excel screen. As I said earlier on, I'll leave a link here where you take a recap of all what we did here for you to understand the whole stuff. So without wasting my time, I'll hold on to Ctrl+A to select all what is here and then delete all. You can delete that, or I can just go ahead and click on the plus here to insert a new sheet any which way. So we can do any of this. So let me zoom it a little bit. So let's move on. Now I'm going to then name my student. So I'm going to call here this, I'm going to call this students. Okay, student's name. Hi there. And tears. Student's name. Let me short it. So students hyphen name. Okay, this is okay. Then after that, let me adjust it a little bit. It's okay. You can double click on the cell to adjust, or you select and go to format, which we learned on our previous video. Click on column width and you type the column width to, let's say, if 12, so that you have everything nicely. So you move to cell, then I'll move to cell B1. Cell B1, I'd like you to type, let's say, a com or computer literacy, or okay, a com skill will do. So let's go a com skill. Am I right with my skill? Is it KILLS? Yes, it is. And after that, I'll move to where we have cell C1, and then I'll type results. Okay, I'll type my results there nicely. Okay, so basically I just, so let me enter the name of the student. So I have Amma. So these are the names I have. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let me add another, so it to be 5. So I have let me use Owusu, Mr. Owusu, of course. Okay, so here the max, let me do the max here. So let's say a com skill, Amma had, let's say Amma got 89, and then Prince got, let's say, okay, 100, and then let's say so let's say had 70 we do. King got 60, and then let's say Owusu had 45. So the result. So here I'm going to grade a student that, now per the chart here, the chart is saying that if the student's grade is greater than or if the score is greater than 89 is A, from 80 to 89 is B, from 70 to 79 is C, from 60 to 69 is D, less than 60 is F. So you can see per the chart here, that's what the chart is saying. I'll leave the chart here so that we'll look at it to grade the student. So I'll move to cell C2 and enter a formula using the if function, which is going to be equal to if, okay, B2 is greater than or equal to 100 because it should be okay A, and if not, if cell B2 again is greater than or equal to, let's say, 89, okay, let that be, sorry, comma, let that be B. Oh wow, sorry about that. Okay, let that be B, okay, and then comma, and then if again cell B2 is greater than or equal to, let's say, 80, 60, 70, that is 70, okay, let it be C, okay. If not, so if again, the argument again, B2 is greater than or equal to 60, let it read D, okay, and comma, and if not, let it read F. Now here we only watched very carefully. The argument was, is created 4 times. You see we have the first one here, the second one there, the third one here, and the fourth one here. So this means I'll close the bracket 4 times. It's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. And when I press enter, it gave me B, because when it was the chart here, they said from 80 to 89 is B. So when I select this and use my autofill here, I'll select cell C to use my autofill and then drag it down, and at the end of the day, voila, this is what I will get. So basically that is just that. That is all for today's segment. Catch you in the next tutorial where we are going to talk about more grading system. Bye bye.